Hey everyone, it's Andrew from Soap Chef, where your skincare matters to us just as much as at markets. I usually get asked, technically, I considered a confetti soap made with all the little colorful pieces of all the different bars. Nice and vibrant smell. Smells really, really good. And I grab my wooden dowel and I'll just stir up the confetti pieces, and this just releases any trapped air bubbles, but it helps also. They were in the corner, but I moved them and I forgot, and that happens a lot, especially to me. Anyways, so I'm spraying out some different color glitter, just kind of give that little party feel to the top of the soap. And get these little fun things over at my soap supplier at Candora. Plug to them. They helped me out so much the last couple years. So I'll take some of the confetti pieces and just put them on top and gives a little bit of texture on them.